हाय चिल्ड्रेन, वेलकम टू योर चैनल एजुकेशनल प्लाजा। एजुकेशनल प्लाजा चैनल में आप सभी का स्वागत है। डियर स्टूडेंट्स, टुडे आई एम गोइंग टू डिस्कस अबाउट वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट टॉपिक मॉडल मिंटो रिफॉर्म्स और गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया एक्ट 1909। मॉडल मिंटो रिफॉर्म्स, very important topic, class 8, this time not in class 10, but for freedom struggle it is very important. This topic will also help you in preparation of different exams being conducted by different agencies. Some of the exams like UPSC, BPSC or state commissions, railways, banks, SSC, etc. So dear children, if you are first time on my channel, please subscribe it, and if you feel channel useful, topic useful, please press the like button, share it among your friends, and you also write down your suggestion. You must give your comment in the comment box, comment section of the channel. Dear children, please watch the video up to an end because conclusion is given in the end of the video. Let us begin the topic Model Minto reforms. The British government announced Model Minto reforms to pacify or satisfy, pacify means satisfy or make calm the moderate leaders of Congress. But dear students, the steps taken or the provisions made in these reforms did not pay any attention or heed to the demands of Indian for Swaraj. फिरंगी हुकूमत ने, अंग्रेज़ी सरकार ने जो मॉडल मिंटो रिफॉर्म्स इंट्रोड्यूस किया, मॉडरेट को खुश करने के लिए, उनके गुस्सा को शांत करने के लिए, ये उनकी कोशिश थी। परंतु मॉडरेट लीडर्स का जो प्रमुख डिमांड था स्वराज, इसमें कोई चर्चा नहीं थी। ऑन द डिमांड्स ऑफ मॉडरेट लीडर्स नो अटेंशन वाज पेड। Muslims were granted separate electorate or representation. It means British government took the step to break Hindu-Muslim unity. This reform was a threat to the Hindu-Muslim unity in the national movement. The moderate opposed it, and after this, the struggle for Swaraj became more intense. मुस्लिमों को खुश करने के लिए और हिंदू मुस्लिम यूनिटी, एकता में फूट डालने के लिए अंग्रेज़ों ने मुस्लिम के लिए अलग से इलेक्ट्रेट की व्यवस्था की। सेपरेट इलेक्ट्रेट मीन्स मुस्लिम कम्युनिटी विल इलेक्ट देयर ओन रिप्रेजेंटेटिव फ्रॉम द कॉन्स्टिट्यूएंसी। इट मीन्स एक कॉन्स्टिट्यूएंसी से, एक विधानसभा क्षेत्र से, एक संसदीय क्षेत्र से 2 रिप्रेजेंटेटिव, यानी आज के समय के 2 MLAs और 2 MPs, one only elected by Muslims and another by all the general electorate. एक रिप्रेजेंटेटिव मुस्लिम के लिए चुने जाएंगे मुस्लिम के द्वारा, और दूसरा बाकी सभी कम्युनिटीज़ के लिए। सो डियर चिल्ड्रेन, दिस स्टेप ऑफ ब्रिटिश गवर्नमेंट was very harmful, or it was one of the effort to break Hindu-Muslim unity. So dear children, if it is asked for 1 mark or 2 marks, then up to here it is enough. In class 8 केवल इतना ही पढ़ना है, but you have to know, you should have deep knowledge regarding this. Some more information I am providing you regarding Model Minto reforms. Indian Council Act 1909 or Model Minto reform was an extension of the 1892 reform. Some of the reforms were introduced in 1892. It was its just extension. Some more points were added to this. The Model Minto reforms, so named after John Modley, who was the Secretary of State for India during 1905 to 1910 and also in 1911. And Minto was the Viceroy of India. Secretary of State was member of British cabinet, just like cabinet minister responsible for India's administration, British Empire head, he was acting like head of British Empire. And the viceroy was representative of crown, just like today's governors, who is the representative of the president in the state. Dear children, the British Parliament appointed a Royal Commission on Decentralization in 1907 to inquire into relations, means find out the relations between the Government of India and the provinces and suggest ways and means to simplify and improve them. Means this commission was set up to find out the relationship between Government of India and the provincial government, and if required give some suggestions for the improvement of the relations. Thus, the report of Royal Commission on Decentralization became the basis for Morley Minto reforms. Dear children, in this part I am going to discuss about causes behind the introduction of Morley Minto reforms. Morley Minto सुधार जो लागू किए गए उसके पीछे क्या कारण था, क्यों लाया गया. Extremism was rising, means radicals activities was increasing. So extremism was rising within the Congress, and in order to pacify the moderates, to please the moderate, to satisfy the moderate leaders, the government accepted some of the demands of moderates in the form of Morley Minto reforms. When Britishers found that within Congress the influence of radical leaders has been or had been increasing, जब उन्होंने देखा कि गरम दल के नेताओं का प्रभाव भारतीय राष्ट्रीय कांग्रेस में बढ़ रहा है, तो उन्होंने मॉडरेट लीडर्स के कुछ डिमांड को एक्सेप्ट करने के लिए उन्होंने ये सुधार, मॉडली मिंटो सुधार लाए और इंट्रोड्यूस किया, जिससे कि मॉडरेट लीडर्स संतुष्ट हो जाएं, खुश हो जाएं ब्रिटिश हुकूमत से, ब्रिटिश गवर्नमेंट से, सो दैट मॉडरेट लीडर्स could be satisfied with the Morley Minto reforms, steps taken by British government. Government also made efforts to win over the Muslims against the Hindus through Morley Minto reform. Through Morley Minto reform, British government wanted to get the favor of Muslims against Hindus. यह अंग्रेज़ों की चाल थी, सोची समझी चाल थी. वे मॉडली मिंटो रिफॉर्म्स के द्वारा मुस्लिमों को अपनी ओर मिलाना चाहते थे और हिंदुओं के खिलाफ भड़काना चाहते थे. दे वांटेड टू टेक द फेवर ऑफ मुस्लिम्स अगेंस्ट द हिंदूज थ्रू मॉडली मिंटो रिफॉर्म. कांग्रेस वाज आल्सो डिमांडिंग सेल्फ गवर्नेंस ऑफ इंडियंस, एंड इन 1906 कांग्रेस डिमांडेड home rule for the first time in Calcutta session of Congress, which was presided by Dadabhai Naoroji, and that time in that meeting resolution of Swaraj was passed. So self-rule resolution, the proposal for Swaraj or self-rule, was first time passed by Congress in 1906 at Calcutta session, in which Dadabhai Naoroji was the President of Congress. Through Shimla deputation, a group of elite Muslims, literate and educated Muslims, led by Aga Khan, met Lord Minto in 1906, as they observed that neither elections nor nominations are fulfilling the requirements of the Muslims, and thus they demanded separate electorate for the Muslims. So in 1906, by Muslim leader Aga Khan, one of the demand was kept before the British. That demand was a demand for separate electorate for the Muslims. Means from the same constituency, Muslims would elect their own representatives. Means there will be two representatives from the same constituency, one elected by only Muslims and another elected by general electorate. So first time Mr. Aga Khan kept its demand of separate electorate before Lord Minto in 1906. Dear students, I have explained details about Morley Minto reforms, but you can use them the points as per your own syllabus or as per the marks allotted to the questions. If it is of only 2 marks, then only you have to mention main or important provisions or important features of Morley Minto reforms. But if you want to know background behind Morley Minto reforms, क्यों हुआ, कौन सी परिस्थिति थी, क्यों अंग्रेजी से लाना चाहते थे, इसके लिए मैंने ये सारे पहले वाले स्लाइड्स आपको दिखाए हैं, जिससे कि आप टॉपिक को अच्छे से समझ सकें. इम्पोर्टेंट प्रोविजंस ऑफ द मॉर्ली मिंटो रिफॉर्म्स. मेन क्या बातें थी मॉर्ली मिंटो रिफॉर्म्स में, इस स्लाइड में देखिए. द साइज ऑफ सेंट्रल लेजिस्लेचर एंड प्रोविंशियल लेजिस्लेचर वाज एनलार्ज्ड एंड सो and their functions were also increased, and so were their functions. Means membership of central legislature and provincial legislature both were increased. The number of additional members in the Viceroy Executive Council was increased from 16 to 60. वायसराय के एग्जीक्यूटिव काउंसिल का मेंबरशिप 16 से 60 कर दिया गया. And the next point, the Muslims were favored by giving them representation disproportionate to their population. Means separate electorate was granted for the Muslims. Separate constituencies were created to widen the ditch between the Muslims and Hindus. This step of the British government was especially taken to increase the distances between Hindus and Muslims. हिंदू और मुसलमानों के बीच खाई पैदा करने के लिए, डिफरेंस पैदा करने के लिए उन्होंने ये सेपरेट इलेक्टोरेट का प्रपोजल लाया और उसे स्वीकार किया, और मुस्लिमों को सेपरेट कॉन्स्टिट्यूएंसीज दिए गए. मुस्लिम को ये अधिकार दिया गया कि दे कैन इलेक्ट देयर ओन रिप्रेजेंटेटिव. This system began an era of gross communalism in Indian politics. It is considered that this step of British government gave birth to communal feeling and it introduced communalism in Indian politics. पहली बार अंग्रेज़ों के द्वारा भारतीय राजनीति में खुलेआम स्पष्ट रूप से सांप्रदायिकता को, हिंदू मुस्लिम डिफरेंस को, मुस्लिम को फेवर करते हुए इसमें शामिल किया गया. Dear children, this way this topic Morley Minto reforms has been finished. If you have still any problem regarding this topic, you must write in comment box or in the group, WhatsApp group. अगर आपको इस टॉपिक में कोई चीज़ समझ में नहीं आया हो तो आप ज़रूर लिखें, और वीडियो आपको कैसा लगा ये भी ज़रूर लिखें. अगर आपको पसंद आया हो, आप समझते हो कि इट इज़ यूज़फुल, देन प्लीज़ प्रेस द लाइक बटन, शेयर इट अमंग योर फ्रेंड्स, सब्सक्राइब द चैनल. थैंक यू, टेक केयर, थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग, बाय बाय, लव यू ऑल.